Hello, IP1. I hope you are doing well, you are staying safe, and you are staying home. So for today, we are talking about image creation, third lesson about this, and this is our lesson number 9. So let's get started. Today, the words to remember are printer and print. Can you say it with me? Printer, print. So what is a printer? A printer is a device to help you to get the digital files on your computer, in your computer, on your paper. So it's the device that helps you to bring it from your computer screen onto your paper. To put the digital files on paper, this action is called print or printing. So if I ask you to print something, it means what you have, the picture, the document, or whatever you have on the screen, I need you to print it onto your paper. So there is something called soft copies and hard copies. So what are soft copies? An electronic copy of some type of data. So for example, when you upload a picture on the e-learning system, on the e-learning platform, that is a soft copy. You are sending me a soft copy because it's a digital file. It's on the computer and I can open it on my computer, right? So that's called a soft copy. So you can send it to anyone. Anyone can open it if they have a computer or a laptop or a phone or iPad or tablet. Such as a file viewed on a computer screen or display. So when you can, as I told you, if you can see it on a computer screen, it's called a soft copy. Digital files on the computer. You cannot touch it, right? So you cannot touch the soft copy. Now, what are hard copies? Hard copies are such as printed books and newspaper. Whatever that you put it on paper. So if you print it out from the soft copy to be hard copy, it means you have printed out the soft copy and it become hard copy. So it's already printed. You can touch the paper, right? So you can touch the book, you can touch the paper. You can hold it, you can hold the book, you can hold the paper, you can touch the paper, okay? So it's called a hard copy. So now try to remember soft copy. You can remember it like this, that is soft, is on the computer, is digital, you cannot touch it. You can send it to other people, you can send it to your teachers. So till now, everything you gave me was soft copies because you didn't print out, right? You just gave the soft copies of your homework. But if we were in school, you might have gave me hard copies. So you have printed out and write on it and you gave it back. So that would be hard copy. But now, because we're doing online, all your homework have been soft copies and online. So you've been sending them, sending me only soft copies. Now, hard copies are hard, is like you can only touch them, it's on paper. You cannot send it to many people. So for soft copies, you can send it to many people. But for hard copies, if you have only one copy, you can only give it to one person. If you printed more, if you print 10 copies, you can give it to 10 people, right? So that's the limitations of hard copy. So you have to print more, but for soft copy, if you have only one file, you still can give it to many people. Now, let's learn how to print using our MS Paint, okay? So first, select your file. Let me show it to you. So go to File on your MS Paint. Go to File. After, go to Print. Go to Print. Once you're on Print, you click Print. Or if you don't want to do that, you just press on your keyboard. On your keyboard, you can press Control P. Control P. So you have two ways. Control P using your keyboard, or go to File, go to Print, and then click on Print. All right. Once you did this, Control P, or go to File, click on Print, and print again, you will get this pop-up. All right, you will get this screen. Then you can select the printer. So in this box, you can select the printer. What printer do you need? So in this example is Microsoft XPS Document Writer. So this is the name of the printer. Or you can add a printer. So you can choose the page range. What does the page range mean? It means from what page to what page do you want to print? You can say all, you can click on selection, you can press on current page, you can press on pages. So you can select which page you want. Maybe you have 10 pages, you just need page 6 to 8. So you will give 6 under dash, just like under dash or something like that, 6, all right? So 6 to 9 or 6 to 8, 5 to 6, for example, or just the current page or all pages, all right? Next is number of copies. What does number of copies mean? Number of copies means how many copies do you need? Do you need 1 copy? Do you need 2 copies? Do you need 10 copies? So this means how many sets. So for example, if you have 10 pages, do you want 1 copy of the 10 pages? So overall you will have 10 pages, only 1 set. Or you want 2 copies of your 10 pages. So you will have 20 pages. So 2 sets, all right? Or it's only 1 page, but you want 10 copies. Yeah, you can select here 10 copies. So you will have 10 hard copies. You will have 10 papers. You can give it to 10 different people. Next, once you select all, so maybe you can select the printer first, and then page range, you can select all, and then you can select the number of copies, 1, 2, 3, is up to you. How many copies do you need? Next, you press print. This is the print button. You can press print to start printing. Now, if printer is connected to your system, then the image will get printed. So when you do this, you have to have something on your paint already. So you have your drawing that you draw before, or you have something new that you draw or freehand using brush or any other command. So you have already done it. So if printer is connected to your system, then the image will get printed. If printer is not connected to your system, then you will receive an alert instead of printing. So if you do not have a printer, there's no problem. The computer will tell you, hey, you don't have the printer connected. Hey, please connect your printer. And if you don't, it will not print anything. So it will just warn you, give you a caution, like attention, please check the connection of your printer. So now I want you to review all the basic tools. Create a picture freely by using Paint program, okay? And finish the picture that you have started. You can add more detail. You can color more. You can draw them on an island. You can give landscape, mountain. Okay, so not just the animal. You can add more as you like. You can be creative as you like. You can add the mountains, colors, trees, land, what else? Anything you like, basically, you can add, and then you can practice to print it, all right? So if you have a printer, try to printing it, all right? And see how it works. Enrich the knowledge that you have of hardware and components, such as printer. So practice the printing if you can. And learn how to print the picture out. So all the pictures you have done so far, if you still have them, try to print them out. Try to see how you can print them. Okay, so I want you to continue practicing how to draw a picture in MS Paint, review the basic tools like brush, pencil, bucket to color, bucket to color, and yeah, so try to practice everything. Freehand drawing or bring the black and white picture like before, insert it into your Paint program and try to follow the layout of the picture. So for your homework, if you have a printer, as I told you, if you do have a printer, please practice to print the drawing you have and make sure you have done it in Paint, okay? Or if not, just try to find a way to do it, because I know some of you might not have the Paint program, so you can practice printing in the different program that you do have. So if you have a printer, please practice to print the drawing and take a picture of your printed drawing. So what you have to do, if you have a printer, you print out your drawing from MS Paint. So you put it on a paper, you print it out on a paper, and then you take a picture for me that you have printed it out. You can take a picture of the printed drawing that you have done. And you can also take a picture of the process, but don't send me too many pictures. Just 1 or 2 pictures would be enough. So you can upload your picture that you take from your printed picture, a printed drawing on our e-learning platform. Okay, so take a picture of your printed drawing on, take a picture of your printed drawing and upload it on our e-learning system. Okay, so first print, take a picture with your phone from the paper that you have printed and you can post it from. Okay, and you can post of the process also. So if you do not have a printer, so some of you maybe will not have a printer. So if you do not have a printer, take a picture of the process how to print. Okay, so you can try to print, as I told you before, here, here, if you do not have a printer, it will send you a message that, hey, you don't have a printer or your printer is not connected. Please check, right? So you can send me a picture of this process. You can send me 2 pictures. Get to this page first. You get to this page first, and then you click print, and then you send me a picture of the notification that gives you. Okay, so 1 picture of this and 1 picture that it mentions that you do not have a printer or your printer is not connected. All right, that's it. So for people who do not have a printer, you can do this. You just show me the process to do the printing, and you take a picture of this and the notification that it gives you after you press print. What does it say? You take a picture and capture it and upload to our e-learning platform. So don't forget, so if you have a printer, print it out, take a picture of the printed paper and upload it to e-learning platform. If you do not have a printer, take a picture of the process to print, okay? And the notification it gives you that you do not have a printer. Just upload 1 or 2 pictures on e-learning system. That's all I need. Don't upload too many pictures, just 1 or 2. That's enough. And the homework is due date. The due date for the homework is Thursday, 2nd September. So please finish your homework by 2nd of September. And if you have not finished any homework yet, please finish everything as soon as possible. All right, that's all for today's class. Thank you for being here and take care of yourself. Stay safe and hopefully see you soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Okay, goodbye.